Saturday, January 29.
An early morning fire tops our news this morning. The huge fire in Kalihi destroyed one home and damaged two others early this morning. It happened in a tightly packed neighborhood, but fortunately, no one was injured. The fire on Rollins Lane was first reported at 2:45 this morning. Rollins is located between North King and Olomea Streets near the Vineyard Boulevard off-ramp. 8 fire companies responded to the fire and found a home engulfed in flames.
One house fully involved when they got to scene. That house is being gutted, and at least 2 houses have flame damage. There's 2 families that have been displaced, and Red Cross has been requested.
There's still no word on exactly how many people have been displaced. Fire investigators are at the scene trying to determine the cause of the fire. The flames created a lot of smoke, and because of the light winds, the smoke blanketed the area, forcing authorities to evacuate dozens of residents. They streamed out of the area with suitcases and waited on King Street for the all clear. Coming up in the next half hour, we'll hear from residents who were forced to leave their homes.